Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing good, and I'm back with a hair care video. Now summers are already here and I have seen a significant hair loss. Now because I'm able to understand, because summers are dry, it makes your hair brittle, so they tend to fall. Now, I was very worried how to sort it out, and there are certain things I tried and they really worked out for me. So, I wanted to share those hacks with you. So, without further ado, guys, we are quickly going to be diving in. I keep telling you guys to apply the sunscreen, wear something over when you are going out in the sun, but doing the same thing for your hair is equally important because we cannot apply SPF in the hair. We need to take care of our hair. So, what we can do is cover up with the scarf whenever we are going out. So make sure when you go out, you're making a ponytail or you're just braiding them down and then cover it up. Now these sunlight rays can really make your hair dull, dry and brittle. So because of that, it gets prone to damage. Now that is the reason we start losing the hair whenever there is a transition from spring to summer. So yes, guys, whenever you are going out in the sun, wear a bandana, a hat, a cap or a scarf, anything you like, but make sure that you're covering your hair in order to keep them healthy. Next up, guys, find a routine which is suitable for your hair. Now, what I do is these days I have switched to using a shampoo, a natural herbal DIY shampoo, which helps in nourishing my scalp, and it has also benefited me with the hair fall. So you need to find ingredients, natural ingredients especially, which works well for your hair, like oil or DIY treatments or something of that sort. Now these days I am using this Phytica Lush Lock Kit, and this is working really nice for me. So it consists of some tablets. Don't worry guys, they are natural tablet which has amla and shikakai, which is gonna be great for your hair. Also guys, this kit has a hair oil. Again guys, it has all the natural ingredients. I'll just tell you, everything is mentioned in here. It has amla, it has neem, brahmi, bhringraj, walnut, olive, sunflower and sesame seed oil. And guys, this oil helps in beautifully nourishing my locks. My scalp feels so much healthier. It has amalgamation of these natural beautiful oils, which is gonna make your hair soft, supple and healthy, of course. So make sure that you're taking care of your hair with some natural ingredients. In India, we have amazing hair care, guys. Also, this is gonna have a hair mask. Now, a natural hair mask in this summer season is gonna be great for your hair, and this hair mask consists of all the natural things like amla, there is neem, fenugreek, shikakai, and we all know the benefits of these ingredients. They are great for your hair. It helps in adding the shine, promotes hair growth, and also helps in preventing hair fall. So guys, let me tell you how I use this powder and this oil. So I take 1 tablespoon, which is gonna be enough for my hair length, or you can just measure it, take 10 grams and start adding a little bit of oil into it. Now add some water and your paste is gonna be ready. Now give it a nice stir, guys. I stir it for good 2 to 3 minutes, and after that I leave it for 5 minutes, and then I start applying this mixture in my hair. Apply it in the scalp and all over your hair. Don't worry guys, it is going to be very easy to remove. After 30 minutes guys, I just rinse it out. It is so easy to rinse out, guys. It smells natural, feels natural. It helps in cleaning the scalp, helps in adding shine to your hair and makes them super soft. So I was very happy with the results. The product link is going to be in the description box below. So guys, next up would be saying goodbye to your heating tools. Now I know that we like to curl the hair, style the hair, straighten them up, but believe me guys, in the summer heat, it is gonna cause more damage to your hair. So find some hairstyles which you can work around in summers, like messy braid or just a beautiful messy bun, and just try embracing those frizzy hair, because if you use more heat on the hair, it is going to be more damaging for the hair. So I would not recommend you guys going for heating tools. At least let them air dry, let them naturally dry. Do not use a blower fan is gonna be good enough, guys. So make sure that you're drying your hair naturally as well, and try staying away from those heating tools for the hair. Last but not the least is gonna be applying aloe vera in the hair. Now aloe vera has certain ingredients which are great for your hair health. Also, you can use it as a leave-in conditioner. It is gonna provide the proper nourishment to your hair, and it will also help in making them stronger and beautiful. So all you need to do is take a leaf, extract out some aloe vera gel, and just apply it on your hair and leave it. Okay, you do not need to rinse it off. This way you can protect your hair. Also, if you do not have a leaf around, you must have an aloe vera gel handy somewhere at home. Just take a little bit, apply it all over your hair, and leave it like that. Believe me, guys, it helps in adding the shine to your hair and also helps in making them beautiful. And if you want to have beautiful and stronger hair, you can just pluck the leaf, make some ice cubes, and apply those ice cubes on your scalp before showering and before using a shampoo. So guys, these were my hacks for the summer season to keep your hair healthy and beautiful. I will make sure that I give the products links in the description box below, guys. And I will see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.